Hi, my name is Beth Salt. I'm a co-op consultant for the business programs at Georgian College, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of GeorgianConnects. First of all, you want to find the site. The address to go directly here is careerandcoop.georgiancollege.ca, and is spelled out, it's not a symbol. Or you can go to georgiancollege.ca and click the login button at the top, and then you'll see the GeorgianConnects logo, and you can just click to come here. So log in and you're going to get this window. Click student, of course. If you've forgotten your password, you can just click the drop down arrow and choose forgot password. This is the dashboard which will open when you log in. I've taken screenshots of a student's profile to show you, so I've just blocked out his name, but you can you'll see your name there. So there's a few things to notice on this page. First of all, there's two separate menus because we have a career site, which is accessible to every student, regardless of program, and then we have a co-op menu for co-op students. If you can't see the co-op menu, it's probably because you're not registered in Banner. In the co-op menu, you'll see that you can upload a document, and typically that's going to be your resume or your cover letter. You're also going to see you can book an appointment and you can search co-op positions. In the career section, you'll see we also have jobs posted. These are not co-op positions. These would be part-time jobs, graduate jobs, and maybe seasonal jobs. And you can also book an appointment in the career section, but that would be booking with a career consultant. Career consultants support students who are not in co-op programs, but they can also provide you with career planning advice if you need that. Otherwise, booking an appointment with your co-op staff member is up here. If you see this when you click on the co-op section, this means one of three things. You're not registered in Banner, you are an international student, and we don't have a co-op work permit on our files for you. Or number three, you are out of sequence. So you've changed your program, you've changed the order of your semesters, and we weren't made aware, so we need to update your record in GeorgianConnects. If you're an international student and you have a co-op work permit, please take a photo of it that's very clear and send it to us at careerandcoop@georgiancollege.ca. It's your responsibility to make sure you have a valid co-op work permit before you start your job search. If you select co-op on the left-hand side, it will open up your main co-op sequence screen. I think that's what this is called. And again, the blue rectangles are the student's name that I've just removed. This particular student has a sequence from summer 2021, and the first co-op work term is winter 2022, and then the second one fall 2022. So I took this screenshot in summer 2022, so you'll see the winter 2022 work term has disappeared now, and you can see the fall 2022 one there. If and when you are employed for a co-op, then you would just click this orange button in the correct semester and set up a work term record. A work term record is an agreement between you, the employer, and the college. And once you have enough information about a job you've accepted, that's the time to create your work term record and ensure you're registered in Banner. If you are unsure about any of the details, then wait or contact your co-op consultant for advice. Please don't click the work term record just to check and see what it looks like, because that will create a blank record that will stop you from viewing job postings, and we also will have to go in and delete it. So just trust me when I tell you, you'll be able to fill it in, and if you're having trouble when the time comes, we will be glad to help. Just reach out to your co-op consultant. Let's look at job postings now. So once again, if you can't see them, go back to my little bit earlier comment when I told you why that might be. You should see a link here for my program and a number, and those are current job postings that are available for you. This number is going to change all the time. It could change multiple times in the same day, but definitely throughout the week you should be in here looking to see and checking what postings are available. When I took this screenshot, it was just 8. When I went in earlier today, I didn't take the screenshot today, it was almost 30 postings for the business program. So it does vary. Once you've applied to a job, you'll see that Apply To is now live as a link, and you can go and look at what you've applied to. You can even see the postings you've just looked at. Let's go and look at this list now. Clicking for my program gives me the list of 8 postings that are open right now, and you'll see that there is a hyperlink for each job title as well as their location, and it also tells you if it's a remote posting. These days, with us recovering now from the pandemic, you'll see less and less remote postings. The majority of employers are wanting our students to come on site, so just be aware of that, and you'll also see the organization name. Let's click on a posting and see what it looks like. So this posting is a Georgian College employer, a department in Georgian College. You'll see the apply button at the top, as well as the job title and the name of the employer. And the apply button is what you should click when you are ready to apply. So read the posting over, prepare your resume and cover letter. You can watch my separate video about how to do that, and then apply by attaching your documents here. You may have to upload them in advance using the upload documents feature from the main dashboard. Let's just scroll down and look. Typically, you're going to see a job description and then a separate job requirements section which tells you what they're looking for, and those are the things you should use to prepare your resume and cover letter. One thing I would say to you is every posting is written by the employer typically. So employers sometimes will write pages and pages, and other employers will write literally 2 lines. It's very, very hard to say what you're going to get in a posting. So sometimes you get lots of information, other times you have to do some background research. In this particular posting, you'll notice that there is a description of how many hours you're going to be working, and you can also find out who's eligible to apply for this by clicking the View Targeted Programs button. This means that all of these programs have access to this job posting. It also means any program you don't see listed here will not see this job. So these are your competition. This is the job deadline, and be really, really aware that when our server ticks over to midnight on June 14th, this job will disappear. If you happen to have a slightly different clock and you are at the very last minute trying to upload your documents, you run the risk of not being able to apply. Once the posting has closed, we will not accept a late application. The deadline is the deadline. It also tells you what they want. They want a resume and a cover letter. And when you see this through career and co-op, that means you're going to click that blue apply button and upload your documents. If you see a separate web link here, that means you're going to go outside of GeorgianConnects to apply, probably to their corporate website. But I still want you to come back here and click apply. That will tell me that you are actively using GeorgianConnects and you do plan to apply on their website. Let's look now at how to book an appointment. You can click the word appointments on the left-hand side under the co-op heading, or you can go back to the dashboard and click book appointment underneath the co-op heading, and it will bring you here to this book by appointment provider. So just click that link. And now you're going to see a big long list of names. Scroll down to find the name of your co-op consultant. If you're a business student, you're looking for Beth Salt, that's me. And then click book underneath my name or their name, and you'll see different reasons why you would be meeting with them. Click the reason why. Let's say you want some help with interview prep, and click, and it will give you some options as to time and day. So choose the day that you prefer. It will give you several time options, and then it will give you a form to fill in. It will automatically take your student number and any of the details we already have on file in GeorgianConnects. So I look forward to showing you some more about the job search in a later video. Thanks for watching.